Good morning, everyone. I'm Teacher Nicholas. I want us to go through the question on matrices that was in Kcse 2024, paper 1, number 21. And the question reads, two matrices P and Q are such that P is 3, 7, 8, 4, and Q is 5, -4, 3, -2. Determine the determinant of PQ is 3. Number A, Roman 1, determine the value of H, which the question had carried 3 marks. Now, starting with A, we are told that P and Q, the determinant of P and Q is 3. Then that means that the product of P and Q, determine the determinant now should be 3. So P is 3, 7, 8, 4, and Q is 5, 3, -4, -2. Then we are told that the determinant of PQ is equals to 3. Therefore, you multiply P and Q. Therefore, you have 3, 7, 8, 4 multiplied by 5, -4, 3, -2. This should give us 3. Remember, you multiply the numbers in a 7 direction. So 3 by 5 plus 7 by 3. So 3 by 5 is a 15, 7 by 3 is a 21. Therefore, here we'll have a 36. Then a 3 by -4, that's -12. 7 by -2, that's a -14. Therefore, you'll have -26. Then h times 5, that's 5h, plus we have 4 by 3, that's a 12. So you'll have 5h plus 12. Then h by -4, that's -4h, and 4 by -2, that's a -8. So you'll have -4h minus 8. Therefore, we are informed that this should give us a 3. So, then getting the determinant, remember A, B, C, D, the determinant will be given by AD minus CB. This is how we get the determinant. Therefore, from our solution here, we'll have 36 multiplied by -4h minus 8 minus -26. So a minus and a minus should give us a plus. So 26, 5h plus 12. So multiplying, this will give us 36 by -4 should give us -144h. 36 by -8 should give us now multiplying 36 should give us a negative 288 plus 26 and a 5, that's 130h. Then 26 by 12, that's 312. So therefore, like terms together, -144h plus 130h minus 288 plus 312 should give us a 3. Remember, you are told that the determinant is 3. So even here it's 3 and here too it's 3. Therefore, this will give us a -144 plus that should give us -14h is equals to this and that. It should give be plus 24 is equals to 3. Then taking this to the other side, we can have -14h is equals to 3 minus 21, negative 14h is equals to, it should be 24, so it should give us 21. Divide both sides by negative 14 by negative 14. Therefore, our h is 3/2 or 1.5. Then the second part reads, find P inverse or Pn, which is the inverse of P2 max. So now you've found out that our P will be now, P should be 3 as 7, then 1.5 and a 4. Therefore, our P inverse will be, first we need to get the determinant, which is 3 by 4 minus 1.5 by 7. And this should give us 12 minus 10.5, which is simply 1.5. Therefore, we'll have 1 over 1.5 multiplied. Remember now, the numbers in the main diagonal normally changes their position. Then the numbers in this other diagonal normally changes the sign. So we'll have 4, 3, negative 7, and negative 1.5. Multiplying this would give us 4 over 1.5, then negative 7 over 1.5. Then we'll have 1.5 divided by this will simply be negative 1. Then 3 divided by that should be 2. Therefore, our P inverse can be written as 2 and 2 thence minus 4, 2 thence minus 1 and 2. So we already have our 3 marks and have our 2 marks. Let us proceed to the second part of the question. Patel and Lagat purchased watches at M shillings per watch and N shillings per phone. Patel purchases 12 watches and 28 phones for 24,600 Kenyan shillings. Lagat purchased 15 watches and 40 phones for 34,500 shillings. Question 1, find the equation, find 2 equations in M and N. Therefore, we are told that one of them, that is Patel, purchased 12 watches going at M shillings plus 28 phones going at N shillings for 24,600. This is our first equation. Then Lagat purchased 15 watches at M shillings plus 40 phones at N shillings for 34,500. Therefore, that is another mark. Proceeding to Roman 2, this is a Roman 1, then Roman 2. Use the matrix method to determine the price of a watch and that of a phone, 3 marks. So we write it in the form 12, 28, 15, 40, MN should be equal to 24,600 and 34,500. Now we need to get the inverse of this. So we have 12, remember, by 40 minus 15 by 28. So and this should give us a 60. Therefore, getting this is the determinant. Then the inverse will be 1 over 60 multiplied by, change the numbers in the mid diagonal, 40, 12. Then these ones change the sign, negative 28 and negative 15. So below, this should give us 12 over 3, -7/15, -1/4, and 1/5. So we are going to pre-multiply this in our matrix here. So we'll have 2/3, -7/15, -1/4, a fifth, multiplied by 12, 28, 15, 40, n is equals to 2/3, -7/15, -1/4, a fifth, multiplied by 24, 600, and 34, 500. So multiplying 2 times by 12 and this by this should give you an identity matrix, Mn. Then multiply 2 times by this. So now multiplying 2/3 times 24, 600 plus -7/15 times 34, 500 should give us 300. You can key it in a calculator. Then -1/4 times 26, 400 plus 1/5 times that 500 should give us 750. So this means that our watch costs 300 shillings and the phones cost 750 shillings. So I believe with that we have scored our 10 good marks on that question. Thank you.